Hello, my name is Kinley Dignato. Today, I will report about DC motors and DC generators. These are electrical machines that are very important in daily life and industries. DC motors converts electrical energy into mechanical energy to make machines move, while DC generators converts mechanical energy into electrical energy to produce electricity. In this report, I will explain their main parts, functions, and differences. DC generator. Introduction. A DC motor is a machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. A DC generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Both machines have almost the same parts, but their function is opposite. Main parts. The main parts of DC motors and DC generator are yoke frame, support the machine and carries the magnetic flux. Field winding, produce the magnetic field. Pole core or pole shoe, holds the field winding and spreads the magnetic field. Armature core, rotates and carries the armature winding. In motor, current flows to rotate the armature. In generators, electricity is produced here. Commutator. In motor, it reverses current to keep the rotation. In generator, it converts AC into DC. Brushes. Supply current to the motor or collect current from the generator. Shaft. Rotates to deliver motion in motors or receive motion in generators. Air gap. The space between the armature and field that allows rotation and magnetic interaction. Function of parts. Each part has a special function. For example, the yoke supports the machine, the field windings make the magnetic field, and the armature carries the current or produce electricity. The commutator and brushes help transfer current between moving and stationary parts, and the shaft delivers or receives motion depending on the machine. Differences between motor and generator. A motor converts electricity into motion, while a generator converts motion into electricity. In a motor, brushes give current to the machine. In a generator, brushes take current out. In a motor, current flows in the armature to rotate it, while in a generator, electricity is generated in the armature. The commutator in a motor receives a reverse current. In a generator, it converts AC to DC.